Guys, tonight I'm doing a wee little bit of needling. We have a button that has come off of Sweet Addie's school uniform shirt. And yep, I'm getting ready to work on it. This one is still there. This one is getting ready to be sewn on. This one is completely missing. So what I'm going to consider is just tacking this part down and sewing this one on, because they never button the top one. I could actually, sorry, it's blurry. I could actually take that button off completely and bring her down here. What do you think? I got my little scissors over here. There's my big old leg in the way. But yes, I'm getting ready to do a little bit of needling. That's what one of my oldest granddaughter used to say. Mimi can needle it. She can fix it. So she's all about the needling business. So just let Mimi do it and she will needle it. God love her heart. Well, this one is for her sister, because the one who called it needling is just about to turn 12 years old. I can't believe it. This is a size 8 uniform shirt. I'm getting ready to get started. I don't have a tripod, so y'all, what you see is what you get. It might show up, it might not. And the color of the shirt is a forest green. It doesn't look forest green with the flash on, but turn that off. There you go. Hi, sweetie. Come see Mimi for a minute. Can you just hold this right here?
What did you do to my
I'm going to needle your button on. You hold this up, right? No, don't put, yeah, you can hold it just like that. The camera's up here, so I'm going to get started so I won't lose this. But this is for my girl, Addison, who is my human tripod right now. She is, guys. She is holding it.
I'm not really good.
You are good. You're doing good. This is going to be ready for you to wear to school tomorrow. Mimi is getting it ready right now. Just hold it right there. And, well, you know, I'm going to take this one off and I'm going to put it right there. So we'll do in one at a time so that we will have this girl ready to go to school in the morning. What's the name of your school?
Whispering Forest.
Whispering Forest. And this shirt is forest green. Isn't that funny? You go to Whispering Forest School? Okay.
And there's a teacher there.
Mm-hmm.
And she says,
can you hold it right here so they can see?
Lunch. She's a lunch teacher. And it always says whisper. Nobody listens. And she says, y'all should be quiet. Y'all are Whispering Forest. That's not the point.
Does she? Honey, can they see the needling? Can they see the needling? Guys, Addie wants to be a videographer when she grows
I want people
up.
to see me.
Oh, you want people to see you? Oh, don't show them you right now. Mama doesn't like it for you to be on YouTube.
Oh, I can just show half of my face.
You're silly. Did you show your face?
No.
Your whole face?
You want me to show them half of my face?
Oh my God, y'all. She's going to get me in trouble with her mommy. But anyway, hold it right here. Sweet girl, right here. See what Mimi's working. I'm working here. They can see your hand. Are you going to be a hand model?
Itchy.
this needs to be focused and be really still, okay? Because they can't see what I'm doing if you're wiggling.
And they can't see my face.
They sure can't. Mama
when I'm
says
15,
no.
Can they see my face?
Probably. But we'll see. Are you shining it on Mimi's hands working over here?
I'm shining it.
Okay, good.
Why are you showing the button in?
Because, honey, it came off. Now look. See this? There's one missing right here. And Mimi's going to add this one down here because nobody ever
Yes, I do.
it.
I do button that.
You button that one? Are you kidding?
Yes, I do.
You button it all the way? You choke yourself with it?
No, I don't.
You do it so tight?
No, it's just because I don't want people to see, like, this bit.
Oh,
it's weird.
You're very modest. Okay, I like that. So, I'm not going to take this button off then if you don't want me to. What I'm going to do, though, look, it won't even stay. Are you sure? You're going to choke yourself.
I don't choke myself.
Are you showing the button?
Joey.
There. Okay. See? I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's going to work or not. It looks like it might. It's a little bit funky right there. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sew this down so you won't have a button there. But I'm going to sew it so that it'll be still and nobody will peek in there and see your hairy chest.
I don't have a hairy chest.
Are you sure? Okay. Well, Mimi's going to fix it. Thank
I'm
you.
about to have what that
You're about ready to lose another tooth, I heard.
No, I'm about to.
Yeah. Bless your heart. Them teeth coming out. Let's see. Where did you lose your tooth the other day? Right there. Cover your face. Cover your face. Here we come. Right there where your finger is. Yeah, I saw that. Did it bleed everywhere?
A little bit.
Just a little?
Mommy had a Lysol wipe at least.
Oh, goodness.
In her car. And it was the last one. I was saved.
You were saved by the...
I was eating the apple. I took a bite of the apple and I said, Mommy, that almost took my tooth out. And I turned to Mommy and then I looked back and then I started wiggling it and it popped.
Oh my word, it come right out.
And then I had to pull it out. And we took Rue with us.
Where is the...
So he was like, I said, when I pulled it out, Rue, I did it.
Uh-oh. She's telling me about her pulling her
Look,
tooth.
I got to be on YouTube by the cover of my face like this.
She's so funny. She's hilarious. Anyway, the buttons are on. She was telling me she was holding the camera. She was being my tripod while I sewed the button on.
Pause it.
Look at me getting in trouble with these youngins. They're supposed to be in bed already. I know it. What am I going to do with them? Spring break, y'all. And they have school tomorrow. The day of the big eclipse. They're going to be out and about. They're going to be in school during the eclipse. I know it. That's all right. Anyway, guys. One button down, and she proved me wrong. She's going to keep this buttoned. I don't know how, because this shirt doesn't look like it wants to stay buttoned, but we will see. I might have to redo this and see if I can get it to straighten up and fly right. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Dora Beth, that yarny zebra and stuff. Whew, y'all. I might get to bed sometime tonight. We've been folding clothes and purging out the stuff that no longer fits. And it's been a beautiful, beautiful connecting time with my girls. Now, if we can find matches to the socks. Some people don't match their socks. They just grab a pair and stick them on. My girls did that when they were little, so I have a feeling that these sweet girls don't match up their socks either, because I've found very few matches. Yeah, donuts. Oh, look at them babies. Look at them lambs in the yarn. I have a feeling I know who bought these socks. I think I've seen these before. Sure have. Okay, so all of this stuff right here's got to get off of my bed because, yep, these were part of the Christmas socks last year. Sure enough. Oh my, year before. For goodness sakes, y'all. Has it been that long? Because those look awful little. Okay. Alrighty then. I'm going to get my bed cleaned off and start getting myself ready for bed. Look at all these shorts. You know, it's short weather down here. It was in the 80s yesterday. And I've got to put all the sewing business away. My needling is about over for tonight. And, oh lordy, better put them somewhere. How many pairs of scissors we got here? This is really cool though. It's got a drop down little container here that opens up and you get all kinds of tricks in it. Let me just tell you guys, this is my sewing kit here in my daughter's, because when I come down here I end up doing some kind of stitchery, or my granddaughter says needling. I do some kind of needling or another. There's always something needing to be repaired or stitched, and that's all right. I will take care of it because that's the kind of meanie that I am. Yep, got to do the needling. There's the thimbles right over there. Okay, guys, much love to you. I haven't done a video in a while, not a live video. Like I said, my girl is not too thrilled about the babies being on YouTube at this time. So, I will get finished with this. Y'all have a very blessed night. Remember, Jesus loves you. You're his favorite. And I got to get this needle and stuff out of my bed. Absolutely. I already gave my girls goodnight kisses. Blessings, everyone. Bye for now.